Hi, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to use WhatsApp on an iPhone. WhatsApp is one of the most popular free messaging apps on the planet. Allows its user to text and video chat with anyone in the world with an internet connection and phone number. It is especially popular among friends and family who live in different countries and want to keep in touch, and can be downloaded on most of any device, including your iPhone. So, to download WhatsApp in App Store, launch the App Store from your iPhone's home screen. Then, search WhatsApp. Then, tap the download icon on the right. So, if you've downloaded WhatsApp before, click the cloud icon. If you've never downloaded WhatsApp, click the box that says Get. So, to set up WhatsApp on your iPhone, launch WhatsApp. Then, after reading the privacy policy in terms of services, tap Agree and Continue to begin setting up with your WhatsApp account. So, a pop-up message will ask if you want to receive notification from WhatsApp, and tap Allow or Don't Allow. You can always go to back and change notifications in settings. Then next, type in the country code and phone number you use on your iPhone, then select Done. Then please confirm your country code and enter your phone number. So after a few seconds of data retrieval, WhatsApp will ask you to enter your name and add the profile photo. After you do so, select Done. Another pop-up will ask if WhatsApp can access your contacts. This will allow you to upload your iPhone's contact to the app, and let's see what friends and family are already using the app. After you've connected your contacts, you can start chatting. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!